Hey besties, it's Becca and we have a very traumatizing, scary video. Oh my god. We are trying Garnier Ultra Cool Blonde. That is charcoal bleach. And it's 40 developer. And it's the top hit on Amazon. I swear there was like 600-700 people that bought this in the last 3-4 weeks. Okay. I'm scared, but let's get into it because I need a good bleaching. So yes, I decided to go for a box dye, and it was only because I seen it on Amazon and like literally 600 people had bought this in the last month. So I was like, out of all the bleach hair dye boxes, this was the most popping off one. It was very affordable. It was like $9.99 Canadian. So I was like, okay. I mean, that's like high school back in the day prices that I used to pay. Pure charcoal lifts up to 8 levels. And it's, do I have to say it again? It's charcoal. I don't know. They've never done me good. I think I've only had one good experience, and that was with Bon Bar, which is Sally Beauty. They sent me their charcoal bleach, and that was the only one that was actually didn't fry my hair off. So I am a bit nervous because it is 40 developer. That's what it says. We're gonna have to work real fast. You know, gosh. The girl on the box literally has white hair, and I can literally achieve that without 40 developer. Just saying, 10 developer, I can achieve that, okay? But because it had so many buys on Amazon, I have to try it and see what the hype is about and why are that many people buying charcoal bleach? Like, Garnier has always done me really good. Like throughout the years, I've always used Garnier. It's been like one of my top choices if I were to go to a box dye. So just putting that out there, I've tried a lot of box dyes and Garnier is one of them that I absolutely trust and have faith in. But you know, this one, because it's 40 developer and it's like an ultra bleaching charcoal 8-level lift, you know, my heart is just not fully in. It's pretty white. Okay, that's like white, platinum blonde. I don't know how it gets like that. Well, I do, but with your hair half melted off. I don't know what is going on, but this regrowth is crazy. It's only been like, what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? And that's a lot of roots, okay? And I'm not down for the rootage look. I know some people like that look, but for me, no. This is what you get inside. Like I said, I paid $9.99 on Amazon, so it was a good smacking deal. We get the bottle of cream developer, which is A. D, anti-brass conditioning. Very wary about because you guys know I love Ex Mondo. Everything for counteracting brass. My code is DieHardBarbie and you get 15% off. That is basically my go-to to get white platinum blonde hair. Then we have the lightening cream and we have the bleaching powder. Of course, we have the instructions and we have the gloves inside. Always do a test strip, bestie. Should not exceed over 60 minutes. Probably gonna leave it on for 20-30 minutes. So we have A and then we have B and you just pour it in there. This is the, oh no, this is the charcoal bleach. Oh yeah, you guys can see it's gray. And then we're taking C and we're putting it in here. I just forgot to click record. My camera overheated, so I did put all of C in here. And this is also a bleach. Maybe we'll try and squeeze, oh! We'll try and squeeze out whatever we can left. And shake away. Hopefully this doesn't melt off my self-tanner. It might. So now the bottle is like a dark gray. Don't have time this section. I really just want to get it on and then off because it is 40 developer and it's a charcoal. Oh God, just spewed all over the place. Oh my God, did you hear that? I'm just gonna start going and applying. I did bring a brush too, so that it would be easier to just kind of put that on there. If you are doing your whole head, you probably want to buy 2 boxes, just saying, bestie. I am literally a hazard to myself. Feels like my hair looks really gray right now. It's from the charcoal. I did my eyebrows and it looks like it's doing a really good job, but it's hard to see because the charcoal is kind of dark. So it makes it look like it's taking a while because of the darkness of the charcoal. But I can see that it is working really well. So I'm gonna leave it on for another 10 minutes and then we should be good to go with rinsing it out. So I'll be right back. I am obsessed with this box dye and it did such a fantastic job, bestie. Like a level 10 lift. I don't think I've ever had such a great lift from a box dye. I'm gonna be honest. Like this charcoal bleach with this 40 developer really just hit the spot. It left my hair feeling soft. I didn't have any fallout. I left it on for only 30 minutes and then washed it out. My hair is literally like a level 9.5, if I could put that on a scale. The fact that this box dye was only $9.99 and I got such platinum blonde results in 30 minutes, totally 10 out of 10, would recommend to anyone. Just be very careful, bestie, when you are using this because it is a 40 developer, and with 40 developer, that is a very high developer. So you want to make sure your hair is very nourished. Like I didn't wash my hair for like a whole week in like a couple of days before bleaching my hair. That's why it looked so puffy and lifeless. I also do protein treatments in my hair once a month after bleaching with K18 or anything that really has a protein in it. I like to stay away from all protein except one day out of the whole entire month. I put protein back in my hair. And then I use a bunch of one and only oil, which is their argan oil, all the time for hair treatments. I go through that stuff like water. Like I love it. I put it in my hair. That's how I have this shine in my hair. Like, do you see this shine in my hair? This is just one and only, okay? Hydration is key when we are this light a blonde, and also just in general, any hair color, you need to have hydration in your hair to have it to be healthy and shiny. Box dye is just always, I feel like, gonna be that top seller because it's so affordable and easy, and a lot of people don't have time to go to a salon and they don't have the energy to do all this research. It can be draining. So having just like a box dye just to slap onto your hair and then bada boom, bada bing, and you're done. Totally get it. And I know that feeling. I use box dye like majority of my hair dyeing life. Okay. Kind of glides so nicely together and blends seamlessly. And we didn't put it on the rest of my hair. You definitely need like 3 boxes if you're doing your whole head. Be very cautious on how long you're leaving it on for. Watch it like a hawk. I did end up using the purple conditioner, which is not really a purple conditioner. I don't even know if it says purple conditioner, but it came out blue. It was like an ocean blue. And I did 2 parts with it. I did like one for 30 seconds and then rinsed it out, and then was like checking to see if it like was like staining my hair because I've had such bad experiences with using any type of purple shampoo or conditioner that it stains my blonde hair, and then I have to like spend 10 minutes with using dandruff shampoo to get it out. But this one, I did 2 parts with it just to make sure it actually didn't stain my hair at all. It was like a vibrant baby blue that I put all over my hair. I think it did a little bit of work with toning and correcting the brass, and I do have some left over, so if I want to experience more with getting some brass out, then I do. I don't want an aggressive anti-brass product on my hair that's going to leave my hair multicolors, because it's traumatizing that I've been through the high school days of like using like shimmers lights. I usually like to stick with the products that I do like using, which is always going to be X Mondo. I've tried a lot of his anti-brass products. He has a mist, he has shampoo, conditioners, a mask, and I've tested them out on this channel with bleach blonde hair with like fresh bleaching yellow, and it did such a fabulous job to getting platinum blonde hair. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this product, because I really want to know. It is amazing. I highly recommend it. Just be cautious that it's 40 developer bestie, but it works amazing. If you are going to put this all over your hair, make sure you have at least 3 boxes. And if you're doing your roots like me, I would still even recommend 2 boxes, because I did get everywhere, but it would have been nice to have an extra box just to like coat it a little bit more better. And you know, it's always better with 2 boxes, and it's only $9.99, so you can't go wrong with that versus paying such a high price somewhere else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe, because we're always doing something crazy with our hair and trying something new. Someone has to in this world, okay? Because who else is going to? You know, the blonde life is the toxic life, but we love it. We love it. I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.